Here we go, here's a little jig. Not that type of jig, sorry about that. This is just a little jig I built to drill the blocks for the reeds to sit on. And the reason it's in this block is to stop the timber splitting, obviously, because as you can see we're going very close to the walls. Bearing in mind this is going to have walls of the pipe, so this is sat in the middle of the pipe at the bottom, obviously. So basically that's what it is. So everything's preset, ready to go down. We're now at the bottom. Well, here we are. We're drilling the other side of the block now for the accordion pipes. You can see I'm just going to go down with this one. Preset depth set, so it'll only go down as far as it needs to go, and that's it. Drill the other hole. Notice I'm leaving the wall in between, hence the reason for the jig really, because if you didn't do that the wall would just bust out on you. Just take it out of the block and show you. See, 2 holes, and one for the actual air supply, and that's where the reed sits on the top. There is actually a reason for doing that and not just cutting the centre out, and I'll get my Sterling assistant to show you the consequences of taking it out. Well, here we are, we've got my Sterling assistant. He's going to blow this pipe to show you the reason for not taking that centrepiece out in the block. Right, now if you'll just pick one of the other pipes up off the shelf, any one of those two, and this is what it should sound like. Now if it goes back to the other one, that's the effect of taking that middle airway out. Well, welcome back. This is the accordion, one of the accordion parts that I was building. You've probably seen some other bits of video on it. This is one actually just glued up. I haven't got the front on yet. There's the front, which will go there. I'm left up with the cap, which is left removable. You can actually see that's where the air goes in. Single hole, 2 holes in the bottom of the block there. That's to take this thing, which is actually the reed that will sit in the bottom just there. And then what we do is drill a hole straight through there, and we use a wooden dowel to hold that in place, with a bit of insulation on the bottom there, just to give it something to make an airtight seal. Basically that's it. Notice that we actually got the back of the pipe is sticking out wider than the 2 edges. That's so we can plane it back to a perfect match like that one. We do that the same with the front as well. Just another one I've built. I've actually built quite a few of them. You've probably seen the photographs that I've put on either YouTube or another site, but there'll be links to it here. If not, just go to the aobg.co.uk and you'll find the links on there for it. You might have also noticed on one or two of the parts I've been showing you, this little spacer here, a little wooden block. It's actually designed and stuffed in there for when gluing up, when you're clamping from the sides. Stops the sides bellying in and helps to keep the shape of the pipe while it's gluing. Normally you would knock that out through the top or through the bottom, but obviously because I've got two holes and 1 hole, meaning I haven't got a straight path, I can't knock it out, and because I've got a block in the top, I can't knock it out from the top. Hence the reason I'm not putting the front on yet until the rest of the body's dried, and then I can take that out, and now I'll glue the front on.